Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you on how to find the expression for the slope of the curve at any point x. So I only have one example here. In this function x squared minus 4x, we need to find an expression for the slope of the curve at any point x. Of course, we will use this formula. This is the long method, and then after this I will show you the shortcut. Okay, so the meaning of this is simple. All we need to do is to plug in that x plus h to x, which means this is going to be now x plus h square minus 4 times x plus h. So that's this one. Okay, I'll just emphasize that f of x plus h, and then minus 4, my bad, minus x square minus 4x. All right, all over h. Okay, I need more space here, so I'm gonna move here. X plus h squared simply equals to x squared, so that's x times x, and then x times h is hx times 2 will be 2hx, and then plus h squared. So that's the expansion form of x plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h minus x squared plus 4x all over h. Now before we proceed, let's just see what happens here. So this is the expansion form of this one, right? Use the FOIL method if you want to make sure that that's the equivalent of this. And then this negative, or this part here, is because of we distribute that negative 4 and then x plus h. So negative 4 times x, negative 4h, x, negative 4 times h is negative 4h. And of course, minus, we just distribute the negative sign. So it'd be negative x square plus 4x. And then after that, let's see if we can simplify something here in the numerator. I can see a positive x squared and negative x squared. I can see a negative 4x and a positive 4x. What else? I think that's it. So I will just rewrite the remaining terms for 2hx plus h squared minus 4h divided by h. Now you know that you're doing the right thing if you notice that on top you can see that there's a common factor, which is h. So I'll factorize the one on top, or the numerator, minus 4, there you go, divided by h. So like what I mentioned earlier, you know that you're doing the right thing is if you were able to cancel out that h. So we have 2x plus, this time we will substitute 0 to h, 0 minus 4. So our answer is 2x minus 4. There you go. Now the shortcut. So this is basically the long method. I believe that every teacher will start with this one, but just to make sure I cover everything, there's actually a shortcut to that, and that is by means of the power rule of differentiation. And I believe your teacher also teach you this one. So the shortcut is simple. I'll write that problem first. So what we will do to this exponent is we will put that here. That'll be 2x, and then we will subtract 1 from the exponent. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And then if it's negative 4x, you will treat x as 1 here. So this will just be equal to negative 4. And this will be the answer. Alright, so please don't hate me with this one, but I just want to make sure I cover everything. So this is the shortcut, and that is by using the power rule of differentiation. All right. So I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching this video. You have a good one. Thank you. Bye bye.